2 mowers for 20 quid. Bargain or not? I'm pretty sure that's a bargain, to be honest, but let's have a quick look at them. Now this Honda has been welded up, looks like by Frankenstein, but man, they have put a lot of effort into this to keeping it alive. It is like a tank. It is literally like a tank. It's been welded up all the way around, stitched up. And to be fair, it's not a bad job. Just looks a bit messy, doesn't it? But Honda 16-inch cut push model. I'd say £10 a piece. Can't go wrong with that. Husqvarna R32 with a Quantum 45. You know that I like a Quantum. Now this lawnmower was actually supplied, was it? Yeah, it was. It was actually supplied by Marsden's, which is like a commercial type lawnmower. They sell all the high-end stuff. But this lawnmower last year had a full service at Marsden's, and I've got the receipt. Let me just get it. If you can see this very well. So last year, I've taped out the owner's name. Last year on the, can you see that? 18th of the 3rd, 21, so a year ago basically. It had a full service at Marsden's, right? The service included a blade sharpen, engine service including change of spark plug, oil, clean or change air filters, check the and adjust engine settings, check condition of cables and recoil rope, check tension of belts, chains, etc. And that is £89.50p for that. It had a spark plug, which they charged £3.95 for, an air filter, which was £4.50, an oil per litre was £3.75, consumables, I don't know, I suppose that's, what's that, oil and WD-40 or something like that, £2.50. Environmental charge, they charged £2.50. And the total bill was £128.04 for that Husqvarna. And well, it don't run apparently. The guy can't get it started, so we'll have a quick, I think it's just going to be a quick spray of the old rocket fuel in the filters and just see if we can get them to run. Got a sneaking suspicion that the Honda's going to want the carburetor cleaning out. The jets will want filing or whatever. But this could be what I did see on Mixed Mowers the other day. This could be the priming. Plate. Because he said it was all running okay, and then it's not. So I don't know why. I don't know. Let's have a quick look anyway and see if we can get him to run. Let's see if we can set you up somewhere sensible. Oh, what an angle! That's a good one. Here you go. You can sit there. Can you sit there and see them both? Let's just straighten you up a little bit. Happy days. Why is it whenever you want to go and find a screwdriver, you can only find the one that you don't want, i.e. Phillips, when you want a flathead? And when you want a flathead, all you can find is Phillips. I don't think it's Well, there's no air filter. That always helps, doesn't it? Might be why it don't run. That might be why it didn't run either, because the throttle cable's not attached. That would help, wouldn't it? Quite. That's that one. So it's shaking a little bit, so but it's not levelling out either, so obviously carburetor. Loads of fuel in there. Shut the house door so I can get this one down. You don't need to go to the gym when you mess around with lawnmowers. She blows a good smoke ring. She blows a good smoke ring. So 2 for 20 quid. I think they both run. I mean, Honda's is a bit ugly looking, but as I say, if we get it running, it'll do someone for the allotment or something like that. I don't know. Maybe knock it back out for 40 quid if we could. If we can get the Husqvarna to work nice, what's that worth? 60, 70 quid. So if we say £100 for the pair, maybe £80 for the pair, that's not a bad return on 20 quid, is it? For a couple of carburetor cleans, maybe a spark plug here and there. Got a suspicion the Honda might have a little bit too much oil in it, or it's knackered. We shall see. Anyway, I just thought I'd do this video really just to show you, learning how to service your lawnmower yourself can save you £128. And this is a basic model, it's not even, it's nothing special, there's no drive on this, it's not you know, it's just a basic Briggs & Stratton quantum engine, nothing fancy on it at all really. So if you think about it, £128, if you was paying yourself even at the minimum wage of £10 an hour, that's 12 hours. Could you service your lawnmower in less than 12 hours? I think you could. I mean, if you did it in 6 hours, it'd be 20 quid. 3 hours, what is that, 30 quid? 30, 16, 90. You know, £128. So these people that are saying, you know, oh, I'm too busy to do it, and I'll send it off to the repairman. Mate, seriously think about it. Have an afternoon off and service your lawnmower yourself, because look how much money you could save. Happy days.